This is how this album look. So pretty, right? So pretty. I don't even open this. Like, ooh, I don't want to drop it. I think it's this way. How the first page looks says burn pink, and it's like all pink. As you can see, the inside is like really pink, and this is like the cover, right? It's like so. I don't know how to take it off. Just over here. There's another. I think this is a photo book here. Also said burn pink, and you have this, which I think they are the photo card and other things. But let's take out the photo book first. And on the bottom of it, there's the CD. Here's how the CD look. Almost dropped it. Here's how the CD look. It says burn pink and whatever that says there. So it's just like literally pink. Yeah, and this is how it was inside here. So this is the photo book. Wait. That looks so good. Oh my god. They look so beautiful. Okay guys, so this is the photo book. This is the best I could do to show you guys it. So here. First we have Jisoo. Oh my gosh, she looks so pretty. Oh my god. Next we have Jennie. Look how pretty she is. Oh my god. I love her outfit. That outfit is so on point. Oh my god. Next we got Rose. She's so pretty. Her nails. Oh my god. Her hair too. Her outfit. Jesus. Oh my god. So pretty. Last we have my bias, Lisa. Oh my god, dang, she's beautiful. Okay, oh look at this. Look at this queen here. My queen. Oh my god. Look her outfit. So pretty. And the shoes. Her hair, I love her hair so much. She always have this iconic hairstyle in Envy, like a comeback. Oh my god. Oh, look how pretty she is. I also love her outfit so much. I needed a poster with this photo on. A poster, like a big one, to put in my room. Anyway, that's the end of the photo book, and these are like credits. Okay, and lastly we have this. I believe in here is where the photo cards are and everything. Okay. Oh wow. Oh, and they also have like this gifts. Oh, there's a photo card. Here's a photo card, but I don't know who it is yet. Hold up. Let me get my face on camera looking at this, okay? I'm back after like looking through the photo book. Oh my god, they look so beautiful. And we are gonna look through the photo card. Do they have like all the members? Okay. Here's a photo card. We're gonna see it together. I haven't seen it. I just seen the clothes of the person, but I haven't seen who it is. We have so many things here, but we're gonna look. Okay, anyway, let's find out who's on the photo card. 1, 2, 3. I cannot believe I got my bias. Lisa. The first Blackpink album I got Lisa. I feel like crying, but anyway, he's the photo card. Oh, this is a poster card, and as you can see, I got Lisa also. Oh my god, iconic. This is the best album ever. And as you can see, this is how the back look. We also have this. I believe it's a sticker. It says Born Pink, and it's just like really cool sticker. We also have this. There are also stickers of their photos. We have Jesus, Jenny, Rosie, and Lisa. Also, we got this film card. Is that how you call it? Okay, do not come in like professional. We got Jesus and Jenny. We got Jesus and Jenny photo. These little photos. Anyway, I'm gonna show you guys later, like with the back camera. And this is how the back look. Why do they keep it? And this. The back is just black, and we also got another poster card, which is Rosé. She's so pretty. And we also have this too, which I don't know where. Oh, it's like a girl poster. Wow. Okay. That looks so pretty. I love this. We have two, so let's open the other one. Okay guys, that will be the end of this video, and here is my photo card. I'm gonna put it in here, in my photo card holder. I'm gonna buy another one. Oh my god, I still cannot believe I actually got Lisa for my first album, and also for TXT for my first, like, the mini album, I got Banyu, who is also my bias. And oh my god, 2 albums that I got my bias in. So happy. Okay, here the photo is inside the photo, and here's how the back look. So pretty. I think I'm gonna buy another photo book, but I want it to be a little smaller so I can, like, carry everywhere. I don't know if I will transform this one in there though. But anyway, that will be it for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you are a Blink or if you're just Ren. Comment down below whatever you like. And that will be it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe again. See you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.